Hello and welcome back to my channel. First things first, it's crucial to prepare your home before the kitten arrives. Remove any toxic plants, secure loose wires, and make sure small objects that could easily be swallowed are out of reach. Think of it as baby-proofing your home, but for a kitten. Next, establish a quiet and safe space for your new furry friend. This could be a small room or even just a corner of your living room. Here, place a cozy bed, a litter box, food and water. This will be the kitten's sanctuary, where it can retreat to when feeling overwhelmed or scared. Now, when your kitten first arrives, resist the urge to smother it with affection. Instead, give it space and allow it to explore its new surroundings at its own pace. Remember, patience is key. To help your kitten get used to you, try hand feeding. This builds trust and forms a bond between you two. Just remember to wash your hands before and after. Toys are essential for a kitten's development. They not only provide entertainment but also stimulate their hunting instincts. So, invest in some fun interactive toys that your kitten can play with. Lastly, make sure to schedule a visit to the vet. It's important for your kitten to get a thorough health check and start its vaccinations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your new kitten feels right at home in no time. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new furry friend.